Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is my sweetheart, as y'all know. She got her hair done. Y'all like it? Ooh. Alright, so in this video, we are going to be going to the new library that we discovered. And also, we're going to be in our pool. Yeah, so y'all going to have a lot of pool. Just stay tuned or prepare yourself because it's summertime and it's 90-something degrees. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I don't want to get copywritten, so I'm not going to say the rest. So, y'all going to see that. And also, I might cook something. And I'm going to introduce you because I have started this new meal plan, meal prep, whatever you want to call it. And my delivery came in. So, y'all stay tuned and get ready, okay? Let go. Okay, I've been cleaning it, right, with the Clorox, and I was inside. Look at it. Look before and after. Y'all can see it. Let me know in the comments if you can see it. Ooh, Lord. That's dirty. Before meets after. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I know this is the before, obviously. Ooh. Just cringing. Look at the half-baked. Hey, I like that song. My mommy is a winner. Yay, you ready? Let's clean it. Just a little bit. Go ahead. Good. So everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Yeah. Yeah, the little ones? Yeah, they over here.
And my mommy makes potato.
Ooh, I want a lollipop. I mean, what's that? Icy?
I want a lollipop.
Oh, you have any more? I want one.
I want one too.
Oh, how much was it?
$2. They're rare.
I want one too.
Huh?
They're rare.
They rare? I know, that's what I was saying.
They taste just like watermelon.
I want one too. My baby. Hey, I want one.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
Alright, so the pool, the cleaner came, the net is here, and we are cleaning. You gotta get the stuff.
I got some.
And then take it out. Show the camera. Rest it on the bottom.
Now I will do that by myself.
You're doing it the wrong way. I did this way. That's the way of it. Come on. Oh, now you know.
Give me the lighter.
Okay, so this is the new library. So every month I sign my baby up for, it's called summer reading program, whatever. They give free lunches every day, and they also give the kids and the mom, a free book and a t-shirt. I love it. Thank you. So this library is amazing because not only is it close to the house, but it's not in, like, you know, it's not taking up my gas, let's say that. And it's not taking up all my AC because at the end of the day, picking her up from school, taking her, driving her all the way to the library, because we go there every week, like 3 times a week. And this place has movies and movie night and all the fun that you could ever think of, and I can't wait. And you see the drawings, one of her drawings is up there. But, you know, for privacy, I had to keep my camera. Yes, we could go there tomorrow. And we love to go to the library. Okay, as you heard, my baby loves the library. I'm raising scholars here. Thank you. But look at her cleaning the pool. That's right, girl. Do your thing. Nothing but a chicken wing. Did y'all get a pool? Did y'all go to the pool this summer? Let me know. And we had get some Chipotle because, honey, I'm not cooking this weekend. No, I lied. I'm going to cook tonight. Oh, Gagville. I'm so tired of cooking. Y'all need to come over here and cook, okay? My kitchen is open and I'm taking applications. Okay, so I am about to get on my homestead and my meal planning journey. So I want y'all to come along with me. This is from Amazon. And these are glass, okay? So we just gonna take them all out. It just came finally in the mail. So it has different colors, but this was $25, $24.95. And as you see, look, glass meal prep containers, 2 components. So I wanted one for fruits and one for, you know, food or whatever I should say. Fruits and veggies, and one for like rice and stuff like that. Pasta, if I could explain it right. So this one looks like. It's my little unboxing. Nice. Ooh, this is nice. No roaches or nothing, right? And we're gonna take this off. Let's peel it off. So this is the color I picked, but they have a lot of colors. I'm gonna put it right here for you, of course. So you can go get yours. I don't care if you copy me. I'm here to help you. Okay? So this is a judgment-free zone over here. So now let me show y'all what I'm about to put in it. Okay, so these are all the fruits I'm gonna put in it. These are blueberries. Okay, blackberries, all your antioxidants. And I'm really trying to get my antioxidant game up because I've been slacking. Summertime, I've been eating watermelon, which is just water. And I need to get it together. And having my iron supplement. So I'm going to put that. That's on one side, the fruits, right? And I'm going to have this Asian chopped mix. It's like a kit. So it has savory and green cabbage, carrots, celery, wonton strips, sliced almonds, green onion, and cilantro with Asian style sesame dressing. So get yours. I believe I got this from Aldi's. I don't know if you have an Aldi's by you, but hey, take a picture, okay? So I have 3 of these, and I will be putting them salad in here, fruits in here, salad in here, salad, fruits. That's how I'm gonna do it. So stay tuned, guys. Ooh wee. Don't this look nice? I know, this is a lot. All right. So stay tuned, guys. I know this is amazing. I'm so proud of myself. And if you want to join me in this challenge, this journey, it's not even a challenge. This is gonna be a lifestyle, okay? It's not a trend, it's a lifestyle. This is my life. I want y'all to come along with me. All right. So this is what I'm gonna be putting in my meal plan and my bowls for my weekly meal plan. Just finished baking some baked chicken. Ooh, honey, how's she looking? Lovely. See the onions in there? Thank y'all for watching, like, and subscribing. I'm about to do some laundry. Fold it up. I don't want to do it though. Y'all gonna come help me? But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribing to my channel. All right.
What? A cupcake.
It's a cupcake. All right, I say thanks for watching, guys.
Take time and die.
Bye.